Daghan mo ingon ang worship kay kanta o prayer lang. Pero tinuod, being a good steward is worship too. Sa Luke 14:28 giingon, "For which of you desiring to build a tower does not first sit down and count the cost?" Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. And today, let's talk about stewardship as an act of worship. 1. Planning is biblical. The Bible reminds us to count the cost before we build. Kung walay plano, walay foundation, planning is not doubt, it's wisdom. 2. Managing resources honors God. Kwarta, oras, ug pamilya, tanan gihatag sa Ginoo. Kung atong gamiton og sayop, sayang ang blessing. But when we manage well, we show God that we value His gift. 3. Stewardship gives peace. Ang tinuod nga worship dili lang sa simbahan, kundi sa daily decisions. Kung kabalo ka nga imong plano align sa will ni God, na kay kalinaw nga dili mapalit. Remember, being a good steward is worship too. Kung gusto nimo imong resources ma-manage with wisdom and purpose, let's talk. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future one family at a time.